racing? Well, the Mustang's gonna get its second round of parts. And I know I said I wasn't gonna do anything to the motor, which pretty much I'm not doing. But I decided to pick up a Ford Performance Pack 2, I guess it's called. You get this nice box from Ford Performance, and you get a GT350 intake, a throttle body, and a tune to put on it. Best part about it is it's all carb legal, it's all warranty legal, everything's all legal, which I'm not used to, but is a really cool idea. They actually have a 1, 2, and 3 pack. 2 seem to be the best bang for your buck. I didn't really want to change the intake manifold. I didn't want to just have more horsepower and the high RPMs. I wanted something when I'm driving on the street, I can feel it just as much as when I'm at the track. So the Performance Pack 2 seemed like the best bang for your buck. So let's see what we get. You get this enormous GT350 intake manifold, or just intake. You get a box, and this box houses the throttle body, which is a big throttle body, which is a Ford Performance throttle body. And you get another box with a thing, some plugs, some things, a couple of hoses, throttle body adapter, and eventually you get this little dongle. Little dongle makes it so you can plug it into your ECU and actually have a tune for the modifications that you're putting onto your car. Quite a cool little setup. Alright, now that the box is empty, we can go put it on the car, I guess. Let's do it. Alright, so to begin this, basically all you got to do is take off the cover here and the intake itself. I actually don't have a sound tube anymore. It kind of was half taken off when I got the car, and instead of doing it by the instructions, I just yanked it out because that seemed easier. So now, all we gotta do is pull the intake itself up, and we'll be good to go. So now we're getting the throttle body off. Just had to pull the connector really quickly. And that's not a 9. 8? Whoa. Not a 9? Oh, that's a 7. Oh, when your things are out of order. So, old throttle body. So to give you kind of a comparison, new throttle body, old throttle body. You can fit the old one in it. Alright, so now we have our seal, which is super awesome because it just kind of goes into the groove. This is the throttle body spacer that's provided. It's kind of, well, it's the adapter. Because I didn't get the Performance Pack 3, 3 gives you a new intake manifold. The new intake manifold then fits the throttle body perfectly. And in this case, this bolts on to the old intake manifold. So the nice, smooth, shiny side, you get some bolts. They inset into there. They're Allens. So you go drop these in there, put it into the intake manifold, which already has a gasket on it. You're using the stock gasket, so you're gonna put that on there, torque it to whatever value that is, and then you're off into the races. So now, just quickly installing the adapter plate before we install the throttle body. Alright, so now I'm going to torque the adapter plate on. Click. 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 Yeah, it all clicked. Alright, so now we're on to the big throttle body. So now we just got to pop this bad boy on here. Alright, so now we have our throttle body nice and installed. Now we can move on to the intake. I'm going to tell you this now. This software from Ford really needs someone besides an engineer to actually look at. Oh my God, I don't understand these people. So after a little bit of annoyance with the actual software, got it all programmed up. Now she's running and all tuned up and ready to go with the Performance Pack 2. Alright, so that's a wrap on the latest modification to the Mustang, a little Performance Pack 2 insulation, throttle body, intake, and tune. So I think that's something like 20 or 30 horsepower supposedly gained. Go for a little test drive and see how she feels, and hopefully that's basically all I plan on doing to the engine in terms of any modifications. It already has a catback on it, a Gibson catback, so sounds good. And now it has a little bit more power. You know, you can't leave nothing, you know, stock, but a little bit less, a little bit more than stock. So keep it nice and easy. It's still a V8, still has plenty of power. So, all right, have a good one, guys.